in case anyone needs a visual example of the word treasure. The moment you realize your human brother is a whole new level of weird.
What are you two doing?
If your sleepover party is not like this, don't even bother inviting me over. You know this is a girl boss when she knows what she wants and goes for it. When your human wants to be a masseur and wants to practice.
Cleo and MJ, what are we doing?
The great sandal game has begun. Let's see. Oh, and we have the winner, Smart Boy.
Did you sit on it? You got it.
Nupagachi, little human.
Ring around the tail. Oh, you missed.
When your human wants to play ring toss, but there is no peg around.
Almost.